This is one of the reasons I'm going away from the GoPro. Doesn't matter what I do, it's just glitchy software. I can't get it to load, I can't delete SD card. It doesn't, just every time I try to delete stuff, it hangs, it freezes. I've updated the software, do all sorts to make sure it's up to date. And do you know what? That's a GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition. It's got a lot of nice features, but that is rubbish, and it's just doesn't load any old stuff. I can't delete it. I tried formatting and it just doesn't play. It's a poor do. So I'm going to go towards the Drift Ghost. Better battery. See if I can get on with that better, but I reckon these GoPros, they're lacking in support, they're lacking in information on how to make them work properly. I'll keep it, it's a good backup I suppose, but it won't be my number one. I'll use it for other things. So there you go, that's my opinion. I'm not a fan of the GoPro.